In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install AttackShark X11 software. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website over here, and then you want to scroll to the very bottom of the website, and it's going to say here, driver download, and you want to click on that button. When you do it, it's going to take you to a separate page here, where the first thing you have to do is scroll down, and in here, you want to select mouse. And then you want to basically find your AttackShark X11. So it's up here for me. If you don't find it, just click on here in the search box, type in X11, and then click on your specific mouse that you have. So this is the X11 over here. I'm going to click on it, and here it's going to say AttackShark X11 software. Click on that, and it's going to download that onto your computer, just like it did over here. Now, when that's downloaded to your computer, you want to go into your downloads folder. So here, I am in my downloads folder right now, and as you can see, I have my AttackShark X11 software here, but it's a zipped folder. So the first thing you want to do is click on it, right-click it, and click on Extract All, and then just click on Extract. When you do that, it's going to open up a new folder over here, which does not have a zipper anymore. Double-click that to open it, and in here, you'll be able to see the software for your specific model. Make sure it says AttackShark X11, and then just double-click it. It's going to open up the installer here on your computer, just like that, and then you have to just click on Next. Here you can select where you want it to install on your computer. I'm just going to leave it to be inside the default folder. It's going to create. I'm going to click on Next again, and then just install. And you have to wait for a few seconds for this to finish, and there we go. When that's done, you can just click on here to launch it automatically. Click on Finish. And this is going to open up the AttackShark software here, as you can see, and the device search is going to be in progress. Now, make sure you do have your AttackShark X11 mouse connected to your computer, and if you do, it's going to detect it over here after a few seconds, and then you'll be able to start using this software together with your X11. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.